Hello guys, on this video I will be showing you how to stitch the front design on this tunic. So please, if this is the first time you are checking on this channel, you are highly welcome to Noboty Fashion channel. Before we proceed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that a lot of people will be able to benefit from it. And then without any further delay, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to first cut two pieces of material like this. So this material is what we are using for the front design, and then the wideness is 4 inches. So that is the wideness, you can see that. So that is 4 inches, and then the length is 12 inches. So that is the length, and then you double fold it like this and then you press it. So that is it. And then the half of it, you apply a collar stay on the half or at the half of the material. So this is the second one. You do the same thing on the second one as well. So this is the half of it which I apply the collar stay. The wideness of the collar stay is 2 inches, so that is half of 4 inch, and then the length is 12 inches. So that is it. Now it is the material. I've already cut the material, and then you shape the neck like this. So this is the front, and then you get the front gaiter of the front panel. So on this neckline, you measure 1 inch, come down a bit and mark 1 inch also. Then the length of the design will be 9 inches. So that will be the length of the design in the front, and then you roll it straight like this. You roll it on the side also straight, and then you measure 0.7 upward. You just mark 0.7 here, and then you slant it like this to give it the V shape, and then you cut it round, cut it on the marking. This angle now, you clip it with a 0.5. Just clip it like that with a 0.5. You can see that's a 0.5, and here also clip it with a 0.5, and then you go to the table and fold all the edge like this. Fold all this edge round like this. So now after this, the next thing I'm to do now is to stitch the front design together. So you place this side where the collar stay is, you place it together like this. First place this one down. This is the side where the collar stay is, you place it down like this, and then this other side where the collar stay is, you place it on it. So making the side where the collar stay facing each other, and then you turn it like this. Place the footer at the point where the joining, where the collar stay ended. So you place it like this, and then you stitch it straight. Measure it like this. So and the point where we stop is a 4.5. So you stitch it up to 4.5, and then you reinforce it. Now you open it. You can see that, and then you stitch the edge round. Once you are done with this, then you go to the weaving machine and weave all the edge. So the next thing to do now is to weave all this edge round, and this is it after I've already done with the weaving. And then you take this is the side where the collar stay is, and then you take the other material which you have already for the edge, then you place the borders on it like this. So make sure that the side where the collar stay is on the design is the one facing upward like this. Then you place it like this, leave like a 0.5 inches upward, and then you measure here make sure that it's a 1.5. So the wideness here will be 1.5, and then you place the machine on it, and then you stitch it all through. That's a 1.5. Make sure that you set the point where the V is, and then make sure that it meets on the joining of the design in the front. Stitch it straight down like this, and make sure that you are measuring it, and it's 1.5. Make sure you take your time to do this, so that the shape will not be different. And then if you like, you can as well use a office pin from the scratch to secure the material. Just stitch it straight down like this. And that is it. You can see this. You can see how nice and beautiful the design is. So please, if you derive value in this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if this is the first time you are checking on this channel, don't also forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so that you'll be notified whenever I drop an amazing video like this again, and for you to also benefit from a lot of videos on this channel. Till I see you in the next video, I say thank you for watching, and then bye for now.